it is nice to hear business question in a spiritual session. How you become successful in business? Number one, what is the most important is that you convert yourself into a leader. Leader doesn't mean that you need to become a politician. What does leader mean is that you should not have fear. You should not fear that your employees will be able to learn more than you and they will not listen to you. A good leader produces leader of his caliber, and he delegates the work to those leaders. Every work you cannot do by yourself, and therefore delegations is needed. Find your strengths and weaknesses. Hire people in your weakness area and work in your strength area by yourself. So the first thing is develop leadership. Second thing is find your strengths and weaknesses. Try working always in strength area. Third and most important thing is mind your men. I think it's a very famous saying, but it's very true. Mind your men and they will take care of your business. You have to take care of the people around you, people in your business, people surrounding you, and if you are able to do that and you have been able to restore your confidence in them, they will never ditch you and will do work from their heart and from their mind to enhance the business you have. Fourth thing is, there is no shortcut in spirituality and also in business. There is no shortcut. And therefore, don't plan to become very rich tomorrow. Then your business life becomes roller coaster, the sine curve, which you don't want. What you want, that your business life should be a tangent curve, should go with 45 degree and a straight line, and there is a growth every day. If you want that, go for slow and steady growth. Don't take shortcuts. Do business for doing the business. Money making will automatically come in. Money is the result of the actions you have done in enhancing your business. Without worrying about the results, keep doing your actions. And if you keep doing that, success will come to you. Last but not the least, you must try to be honest and honor all your commitments always. If you follow these 5 rules, you will develop as a beautiful, nice, efficient, effective business owner, and you will never have to look back for the success. Success will automatically come behind you. Start following them from today, and I wish you great success in your business life. Thank you.